All right. Yep. Oh, it's very tight. Ah. Perfect, perfect. Thank you. All right, I'm on Stallion at Six Flags Qiddiya City. This is a Maurer Spike Coaster. I've never done one of these before. Very interested to see how this rides. All right. Whoa! Oh, whoa, that was fun. Wait, this is sick. Why does it slow down there? That's such a weird spot for it. That's an interesting ride for sure.
You like it?
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Of course, there is train now.
There we go.
There we go.
Thank you very much.